Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today's video is going to feature 12 cool girl hair transformations. First up we have this icy blonde pixie. Followed by another blonde undercut pixie transformation. Absolutely gorgeous. Her haircut is flawless to a T. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with ginger colored hair. Like she decided to switch it up with this beautiful bob complete with bangs. Followed by this pixie haircut transformation. So the stylist ended up doing like a beautiful face framing pixie with this one, gorgeous bangs in the front. Lots of height and volume at the crown. And then we see someone heading to the salon that is rocking the contrasting hair trend. So she has platinum going there at the bottom and the rest is all black. And it looks like she has decided to switch it up with a bob haircut. Oh wow, absolutely stunning. Loving the bangs. She looks amazing. I love how the platinum undercolor looks with the bob. This is such a beautiful transformation. Next up, looks like the client decided to go all black. And she also decided to get a bob haircut with bangs as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we see someone with long ginger hair. Looks like they're also going to be getting a bob haircut. Oh, they decided to take things even shorter with the pixie. Then we have an undercut style for the next one. Wow, absolutely gorgeous, beautiful undercut style pixie. Long bangs in the front, gorgeous. Then we have effortless bob haircut transformation. Followed by yet another lob haircuts. Gorgeous. And then we have a platinum pixie makeover. Absolutely gorgeous. So then we have another pixie. So she's getting a shaven nape with this one. Beautiful bangs in the front portion. Wow, her pixie has so much volume and height. Beautiful. Alright, you guys, so let me know in the comments below which hair transformation was your favorite. Mine was definitely this platinum pixie cut. If you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.